this pretty little story, this little war story, and put it into our journey right now, because we started from the creation on up through Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, whole 9 yards, and Moses, and here we are, almost ready to manifest it, or at a point right now where we're recognizing and saying yes to it. I'm not even going to use the word recognize, because you already recognized it. You just have not said yes to it. And that's when one of my 7 things I use in the wizard in me, one of them is the call. Number 2 is refusing the call. And number 3 is answering the call. Notice the call does not go away. The call does not go away. That dream may have been put, we call it putting on the back burner. Well, I need to hold off on this until I raise the children. Oh, children are ready. I need to hold off on this until I send them to college. Oh, I need to hold off on this now because I got the grandchildren. Oh, I need to hold off because now I got to send grandchildren to college. You okay?
Sorry. I knew it was loud.
And we're attached to the drama. You had your babies. You did the best that you knew how to do by them. You cannot make it up with the grandbabies. You can be the grandparent, but you can't be the parent. You had your time. Let mom and daddy take care of grandbabies. Those are their babies. Let them do the best they can. But a lot of times we continue to bring on that drama within ourselves. Why? Because we're afraid to live.